Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best drawing tablets available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, student, or professional artist, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Argar Stylus pens, which are perfect for those on a tight budget or simply looking for a basic drawing tool. Priced at just $14.99, this set of 2 stylus pens offers compatibility with Android, iOS, and Windows devices. The 1.5mm nib provides pixel precision and sensitive touch technology, ensuring smooth strokes and responsiveness for casual sketching, note-taking, or light design work. Plus, the pens come with a USB charging port, allowing for 10 hours of use after just 30 minutes of charging, making them efficient and ready to go on short notice. Design-wise, the pens are lightweight and easy to handle, with aluminum construction that feels durable for the price. The inclusion of 2 stylus pens, replacement nibs, and a Type-C charging cable adds extra value, and the 4 indicator lights for battery life are a thoughtful touch, letting you know when it's time to recharge. However, the lack of pressure sensitivity and app integration limits the stylus to basic use cases, making it less suitable for professional or intricate work. While this product is great for beginners or casual users, it won't satisfy those looking for advanced features or high-end performance. With its affordable price point and straightforward functionality, the Argar stylus pens are ideal for quick sketches, digital note-taking, or small edits on the go. However, if you're looking for a full-featured drawing tablet, you'll want to keep watching for options higher up on our list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Huion Inspiroy H640P. This compact and portable drawing tablet is perfect for beginners and intermediate artists looking for a versatile tool to enhance their workflow. With a 6x4-inch drawing area, it's small enough to fit into a backpack, yet offers enough space for creative projects. The standout feature of this tablet is the battery-free stylus with 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, giving you precise control for detailed sketches, shading, and photo editing. The pen side buttons also let you switch between pen and eraser effortlessly, adding to its user-friendly design. The H640P includes 6 programmable hotkeys, which can be customized for shortcuts in different software applications. This makes it ideal for multitasking across programs like Photoshop, Sci, and Medibang Paint. It's compatible with Mac, Windows, Linux PCs, and Android devices, ensuring flexibility across various operating systems. The tablet also doubles as a mouse replacement for signing documents, taking digital notes, or navigating your computer. Weighing just 9.6 ounces and featuring a slim 0.3-inch profile, it's incredibly portable and easy to use on the go. While the Huion H640P is a fantastic option for beginners and hobbyists, its small size might not suit professionals working on larger or more intricate designs. Additionally, the learning curve for setting up the hotkeys and drivers may take some time. Overall, this tablet offers tremendous value for its price and is an excellent choice for budding digital artists who want to explore the world of graphic design without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the Funy T8 drawing tablet, a standalone device that doesn't require a computer to operate. Featuring an 8-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1200 by 800 pixels, this tablet offers vibrant colors and decent detail for its compact size. Powered by an MTK quad-core CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage, expandable up to 256 GB, it's equipped to handle most popular drawing apps like Sketchbook, Artflow, and IBIS Paint X. The pre-installed tutorials and drawing apps make it particularly beginner-friendly, while the Android 13 operating system ensures smooth performance and versatility. In terms of design, the T8 is lightweight and portable, with an included adjustable stand case that makes it convenient for travel or desktop use. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 20 hours on a single charge, which means extended creative sessions without needing to reach for a power outlet. The pressure-sensitive pen, 2048 levels, provides decent responsiveness for sketching and shading, though it falls short of the precision offered by higher-end models. While the Funy T8 is an excellent choice for beginners and students, professionals might find the smaller screen size and mid-range pressure sensitivity limiting for detailed work. Additionally, the quad-core CPU, while adequate, may struggle with heavier design applications. Overall, this tablet strikes a great balance between portability, performance, and price, making it a solid option for digital artists who need a standalone device without breaking the bank. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Simband Picasso Tab X, a standalone drawing tablet designed for beginners and intermediate artists. This tablet features a 10-inch HD IPS screen with vibrant colors and clear resolution, perfect for creating digital art or animations. Powered by a MediaTek quad-core processor and 64 GB of internal storage, it delivers reliable performance for multitasking and running pre-installed drawing apps like Sketchbook. The package includes 4 bonus items: a tablet case, drawing glove, universal power adapter, and screen protector, making it a fantastic value for its price. The tablet's stylus pen has 1,024 levels of pressure sensitivity, offering decent precision for sketching and shading. Connectivity is another strong point. The tablet supports Wi-Fi, GPS, and even micro HDMI output, allowing you to link it to your TV for larger displays. The Picasso Tab is also certified by GMS at CC and CE standards, ensuring safety and quality. Whether you're watching Netflix, browsing the internet, or working on your art, this tablet excels as a versatile device for both productivity and entertainment. While the PicassoTab X is great for beginners, professionals might find the lower pressure sensitivity limiting for intricate designs. Additionally, the Android Marshmallow operating system is slightly outdated compared to newer models. However, the inclusion of bonus items and its standalone functionality make this tablet an excellent choice for students, hobbyists, or anyone seeking an all-in-one digital art solution at an affordable price. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is the RubensTab T11 Pro by Funy. This standalone drawing tablet packs an impressive suite of features, making it the ultimate tool for beginner and intermediate digital artists. With a stunning 10.1-inch Full HD IPS screen, boasting a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, your artwork will come to life in vibrant colors and sharp detail. The octa-core CPU and Android 12 operating system ensure smooth performance for running pre-installed drawing apps and tutorials. The tablet also comes with bonus items like a protective case, adjustable stand, and a high-sensitivity pen, making it a complete package for artists on the go. One of the standout features of the T11 Pro is its built-in 5,800 mAh battery, which provides up to 5 hours of continuous use, making it perfect for long creative sessions or travel. The pen offers natural, fluid strokes with adjustable pressure sensitivity, closely mimicking traditional drawing tools. Multi-touch functionality on the screen further enhances the workflow, allowing intuitive zooming and panning. Additionally, the device supports USB-C charging and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it easy to access online resources or tutorials directly. While the RubensTab T11 Pro is slightly pricier, it justifies its cost with premium features that cater to both beginners and experienced users. The high-resolution screen, fast processor, and included accessories make it a versatile choice for digital art, note-taking, or even casual browsing. With its portable design and standalone functionality, this tablet is the ultimate choice for artists who want the freedom to create anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tablet caught your eye, or if you have any questions about these products. As always, I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.